Hi! In front of me is Realme Narzo 50A Prime, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this device. First of all, go into Settings, scroll all the way down and choose System. Now tap on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and Keyboard. Finally go into Theme and tap on Show More to see all available ones. Let's click over here. When you're ready, tap on the best one for you, click on the switcher next to keyboarders to manage them and tap on Apply. As you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always customize it by going into the same settings, but this time tapping on this plus icon under my themes. Now select photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, select Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Tap on Done, manage keyboarders by clicking on the switcher and choose Apply. As you can see now, theme of my keyboard is customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!